Les amis, on est chez les copains. Trop beau. C'est trop stylé. Donc c'est une étape de la route 66. Oh, il y a encore des ânes.
Tu peux acheter pour leur donner à manger.
Oh oui.
C'est là.
C'est combien?
Je sais pas. Mais je suis désolé, tu vois, si tu veux leur acheter. Tu vas aller leur chercher un truc?
Il est trop beau lui. On va les donner à manger aux petits bébés. Il est beau. Salut.
Fais doucement toi.
Fais ta film, hein. Petite stand de tir comme à Disney. On est à Othman les amis, c'est trop bien. C'est une ville western sur la route 66, c'est trop beau. C'est la ville des cowboys et il y a plein d'ânes, vous avez vu en liberté, où on peut acheter pour $1 un sachet pour leur donner à manger, c'est trop bien.
J'appelle deux. C'est trop bien.
À Los Angeles.
Là ouais, on va à Los Angeles. On est parti de Vegas. Pour partir de Vegas, on a eu... franchement, c'est trop bien. Là, il est resté dans son jus. Donc tu as les gens qui habitent ici, ils l'entretiennent un peu. Mais tu vois les alentours et tout, en fait, c'est hyper vieux. C'est que des caravanes, c'est tout dedans, c'est tout dedans.
Et normalement, il y a des duels.
Tous les trucs comme ça, tu vois, tous les magasins, en fait, ils les ont réhabilités un peu, tu sais. Mon travail, il faut la nationalité américaine.
Et je t'écoute. Hein.
Du coup, tu vois, ça, je crois que c'est un peu plus dur.
Nothing there, just powder.
We don't need everybody, we just need enough people out here to let traffic know there is something going on, so we don't get run over while we're laying on the ground. We've had that a long time ago. They won't run you over standing up. That's murder. But if we're laying on the ground when they run us over, they swear it's an accident, and we don't think that's fair. And don't worry about getting shot out here neither, because we ain't Ellen Bolton, we're not from Hollywood. We load our own guns. We don't need an armor to tell us our guns are loaded. We load them ourselves, know exactly what's in them. The guns we use in the shows never see live ammunition, never have. We use them only for the shows only. We're Arizonans. We got plenty of guns to go shoot in the desert with. We don't need these. We use these just for the shows only. A little bit of gunpowder and the cornmeal, we shoot each other 6 inches away, never repeal it, and I know that for a fact because my name's Big Fox, And I have been doing gunfights in this town for well over 25 years now, and I've shot myself in the leg with these things many times. So I know what they feel like. Over here we have two hats. He's been doing it for 10 or so years. So we got Dusty down there. He's been doing it for 16 or so. But we started on the name Red Ridge Marauders about 11 years ago to pick up slack. A lot of those years we were only doing these a couple times a week. And the year that we didn't do anything at all. Well, we've been doing for regular now for the last 7 years on a 4-day-a-week basis. We do the same thing all the other gunfighters have done through the years. Duke Clark started back in 1978, back then on holidays and weekends. And then about 1992, they started happening on a regular daily basis. But they all did them for the same reason. Your entertainment, hope it brings it down, give you something else to do to feed the burros, but we also do it for charity. Now, what we donate to in particular is St. Jude's Research Hospitals. And in the last 10 years, or 11 years, thanks to the Gold Vortex Mining Company that was running the Moss Mine out here for 20 years, it's under new management.
He's got a point. I didn't think of that.
I couldn't rob him, because while he was parked there, I was stuck in that outhouse over there.
You got stuck in that house?
Yeah, couldn't get out. Couldn't find no toilet paper.
Oh, that's not good.
Think about it. 3 10 quarter like stuff, can't find out nowhere. Couldn't find Sears Roebuck catalog, couldn't even find a stray cat. I ruined a good pair of socks to get out of there.
Yeah, that worked.
By the time I got out, he was gone. Right there, he put the gold bank over there, which is why we're here. Now look, on many damn street sheds, all toilet paper disappeared by the time they started selling beer out at the saloon up there.
Beer? What's wrong?
Yeah, he said when they started selling that Corona stuff, everybody left.
I thought that was pretty good beer.
I thought it was too, but he said when they started selling that Corona beer from China,
China.
everybody left. Toilet paper went with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was too, but evidently that Corona stuff from China ain't no good. They sure ain't gonna drink Corona, make sure it's coming from Mexico.
That's right.
Alright, now look, one of us gotta go rob the bank. Which one of you two gonna go do it? That's why I brought you here.
Oh, well, really.
The big bad hombres and all that kind of stuff.
Train.
Yeah.
Yeah, that little old lady.
Now look, it's not hard. Just little old lady, be easy. Go up there to the bank, little old lady sitting at a desk in there, says teller on it. Walk up to her, say, howdy ma'am, how you doing? Give me your money. She gives it to you and you walk out.
Now, he did that good. Did you see that?
Yeah, you got a point.
Yeah.
Why don't you go rob it?
Yeah.
Because I brought you two here to rob it. Like that last time I went to the bank door down in Nogales a couple of months ago. We got to check the post office. Didn't realize my poster was there. Brand new, spanking new, and they knew who I was. Then I went through the door. They didn't say hands up, give up nothing. They just started shooting me. So I'm a little leery about going through banks and doors right now. Why are you still here? Now, which one are you going to go rob the bank?
Down there.
You want to get shot?
I don't want to get shot with her.
All right, tell you what, we'll flip for it.
Hey.
That's your tape.
Let me see the other side of that. Yeah, that's what I thought. You pulled that last week. Double-sided coin.
Okay, I got another way to do this.
All right, what's that?
You know how to play that rock, paper, scissors thing?
Oh, yeah.
I'm good at that one.
Yeah,
I learned it
I know
the last town I was in. So you. One who loses goes to rob the bank.
All right.
All right, you ready? I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, go rob the bank. You let me drop paper, scissors every time. That's what that last guy talked about. I lost $100 for my
Are you sure posters ain't here?
I'm sure, but watch out for that little girl up there.
Yeah.
I think that Calamity Jane thinks she's got rabies or something, but she likes to be sorry that was the room. I'm going here to check the ass out while he's in there.
All right, I got you back.
Hey, he went for a gun, so I had to shoot him.
You got gold in there? Paper money?
Ain't gotta be something.
Yeah.
Oh, ain't heavy enough for gold. Oh, look at that. I found one hoarding the toilet paper.
Oh, we ought to got shot. That's not right.
He ought to been hung.
Yeah, that's wrong.
Yeah. He ought to be charged better. He's got 6 rolls in here.
Oh, we shoot him some more.
I got him good
You
the
got
first
right
time.
29.
He got the gold. See,
Yeah,
that was
okay.
easy. Let's get out of town.
I see that.
Yeah, full bag.
Yeah.
Alright. Now where do you think you're going? Horses are down here.
I just thought I'd go up a little ways, cross over to the river, and then come down and catch you later.
Yeah, I never did like the way you did your thinking. Every time you do thinking, I get the short end of the stick. You get on down here, 'cause I'm still mad at you anyway.
Hey, what are you mad at me for?
Oh, 'cause two hats over here told me you's the one stole my wife and my horse. I want my horse back.
Oh. can't do that.
What make kind do that?
Can't shoot the horse.
You shot Tinkerbell? You don't do a thing like that, boy.
Well, we run out of victuals. Got powerful hungry and shot the horse and ate it. Man, that was a mistake.
Horse is a mistake. That was the fastest horse in the county.
Hey, you ain't tell me nothing. He ran through me in a hurry. I could use all that toilet paper. It's terrible.
That wasn't my horse. That's her cooking him.
Cooking?
Faut que je la recharge dans la voiture.
Hey, I'm gonna settle this.
You're lucky I'm not a back shooter. What are you looking at?
All these people around here.
What about it?
Oh, they can help.
Help?
Yeah.
All right, they're gonna help.
Now, they all can help. Walk out here and walk there with me.
You guys stand right there. Look at women and kids.
Hey, wait a minute.
What?
Well, I said they could help. That's not quite what I was thinking of.
You can say what kind of help?
Bon voilà, Othman c'est fini, c'était trop bien. Là on est sur la route, on va à LA. Donc on s'est un petit peu enflammé, on est resté un peu trop longtemps. Donc là on trace jusqu'à l'aéroport pour rendre la voiture. Finalement on reprend une autre voiture, c'était pas prévu. Mais ce sera plus pratique, donc on s'est fait un petit plaisir. Et après direction l'hôtel à LA. Et demain c'est Universal Studios. Trop hâte. Et on a des petits bounds justement pour demain. Donc voilà, donc là c'est la route, on a fait une pause repas à l'arrache en roulant pour pas perdre de temps parce que sinon on va être en retard pour prendre la voiture. Et maintenant moi je pense que je vais faire une petite sieste pendant que chéri conduit. À tout. Les amis, on est en train de faire un petit car wash à l'américaine. Et après on va rendre la voiture. Il est 9h moins 20, on est éclaté, on récupère à peine la deuxième voiture pour les 2 jours pour être à LA tranquille, aller Universal. Et du coup, on va à l'hôtel. Ouais. Dernier petit hôtel avant Disney. Grand lit, franchement trop bien. Paris. Et une salle de bain encore avec une douche énorme. Et maintenant, il est 22h, on a la dalle, on est fatigué, on a eu chaud. Donc on va aller, je suis dans le noir, on va aller manger un bout, un petit burger, le premier des vacances. Et ensuite, grosse douche et gros dodo. Et ça, c'est l'extérieur. Franchement, c'est trop bien. Les Disney fans, finalement je vous ai pas montré ce qu'on a mangé parce qu'on a pris à emporter, on a mangé dans la chambre tellement on est fatigué. Là on est le 10 mai, donc c'est officiellement encore mon anniversaire heure américaine. On a pris une bonne douche, là on va faire un gros dodo et demain c'est Universal Studios. Donc je vais arrêter le vlog aujourd'hui, Vegas, et je vais vous mettre Othman dedans, ce que vous aurez vu juste avant. Et demain je vous filme tout pour vous faire un vlog Universal Studios. Et après-demain, du coup ce sera sur une prochaine vidéo. Mais après-demain ce sera LA et Hollywood et tout et tout. Et après c'est Disney. Ouh. Bon et après on rentre. Mais bon, c'est un voyage de folie. On kiffe de ouf, on s'éclate, on voit des trucs de dingue. C'est génial. Donc sur ce, moi je vais me coucher. Je vous dis à la prochaine vidéo et je vous fais des gros bisous. Et n'oublie pas de t'abonner à mes autres réseaux sociaux et je te mets en avant la vidéo du moment et la dernière qui est sortie. Bisous les Disney fans!